Hey guys, work smart, not hard. No nonsense, move fast. It's everybody's desires to work smart, to achieve their goals, what they have set to reach. And the feeling of the achievement is quite different. It's a kind of the motivation which driven some uh, cognitive features in your mind in order to boost up yourself and to set another high goals for that. So today's lesson about the mind mapping. We plan, we design, we set the targets. Uh, we want to achieve high goals in our life, but the problem is that how to do these things. For that, we try to map our plans and gather information. But what is the proper way to uh, uh, to create a mind map, to gather the information, to connect the ideas? Yes, in this lesson, I'll be telling you about the mind mapping in the classroom for teachers and students. So let's see what are the contents of the lesson today. If you're new to this channel, please press the subscription button. If you like this video, press like. And if you want more videos like that, please press the bell icon button. So let's see. I'm going to share the screen. So this is the today's point, but before that, mind mapping teaching strategies, lesson 68 of the pedagogy. So I'll tell you about these things as you can see on the screen. What is mind mapping? Why we use mind mapping? How teachers do mind mapping? How students do mind mapping? And some examples that how it works. I'll be asking you a few things as well as, and that will be really nice that once you're done, or if you have any other examples that you can share in the comment box. So let's move to the mind mapping. First, what is mind mapping? Mind mapping, actually, it's something that happening in the brain. When brain start thinking about that, that means there's a something or there a reaction in our mind in order to collect the information. Now, what are these things? When we are asking about the mind mapping, how mind mapping is helping us? It helps us to gather the information, collect the knowledge, create ideas, connect ideas, organize the information, think in a different way. Suppose you are in the classroom and you have the topic about science, social studies, mathematics. As a teacher, you are assigned a task to your students and you are asking them to create a mind map. Means you have already provided them a central theme. Now you are asking them to think about it. So every brain will think differently. Every individual think differently. Now there is a problem, okay? When they think differently, definitely they have the different information. But we cannot say what you expect from them. So for that, you have to provide something. Stay with me. How are you going to provide that every student can think in a similar way and what you expect they can provide you? So note, there should be a linkage or connection between ideas. When they start thinking, there should be a connectivity. These ideas must be connected with the central theme. If I say science, that the idea must be connected with the science. I'll give you the example, stay with me. So you can map anything that you want. You can map your goals, life goals. You can map your subject goals. You can map your planning. You can map your dreams. You can map your experiment. You can map your what we call a tour. You can map everything. So, but the thing is that the theme, the ideas must be connected with your main theme or main standard. Next, why we use mind mapping? The main purpose of the mind map is to think logically, to connect ideas in a logical way, to gather the information in a logical way. So when we say that the information with a central theme, they're a connectivity. For example, if you are thinking about an experiment, that we cannot say that the experiment we're going to conduct at restaurant. What comes? Slab, apparatus, equipments, instrument, tools. But if you're going to connect, okay, with the food, dishes, weather, so that is, there's no association of the ideas. So that's not a way of the logic. So means when you are thinking about the experiment, that means how you are going to conduct and how you are going to conclude. So this all information you are mapping in your mind, and then in a proper format on the model you are going to put. Second, how teachers mind map. Teachers should design a model for students in which way they are expecting the information from the students. So you have to provide a model. I'll give you the example. Model, the way or diagram visually organize the information. Means in which way you are expecting from the students that the students should demonstrate or organize that information in this way. So there should be a connectivity, whatever the pieces of the information they are putting on it, there should be a linkage and connectivity. So the model teacher has to provide a model for the students now. Like this one, it's about website, footer, header, and sub pages, home pages. Okay, this is kind of the model. So once you assign a task or to your students, just display a model on the smart board or whiteboard as your convenient. Another way, this is the connectivity, main idea, central theme, and then you have to connect the pieces of the information which has the direct connection or association with the main theme. Okay. Now, how students mind map. Use the assigned model, whatever they have assigned. If it's not open-ended, think about the central theme. As I have mentioned, the central theme about the experiment, connect ideas, and then link these ideas together. I'll give you the example. Suppose, for example, there's a science, family, and birthday. So first, I'll give you the example for the science, and the rest of you can take another example. I'll try to give you the all. Let's go to the another screen. For example, where it is, I'm going to use the pen. So I'm not that much good in the pen. So here, for example, this is about the science. So let's write the science. Okay, this is your main theme. I think that's fine. Now what comes with the science? What other things are connected with the science? I'm giving you an example that you can easily understand. So with the science, I can say biology. Yes, I'll say the biology here. It's let me write here, biology. Then I'll say write the chemistry. Okay, chemistry. Then physics. Physics. Okay, then further we'll move to the another part. Suppose biology can be further simplified, or information here. This is an idea, so you can get the idea of this one. Botany, and then zoology, so like in this way. Okay, so in physics you can say the analytical and electronic. Okay, so there's many ideas, and then you can connect the information for that. So in this way you are going to mind the map, and what information is associated with it, you have to make the connection. I'll give you the another example for that. For example, here it is. I'll just give the here the family. Another one, suppose the central theme is the family. Now family, with the family, for example, who comes in a family? You can think about that. Father, right? There's a connectivity, right? Then mother, there's a connectivity. Then son, right? Then daughter, so see, look how it's a association. Then sister, and we can add more information like the brother. Okay, then we can go for fathers, the parents, we can go further. So this is the way that we can mind mapping. Okay, so if you think about the subject, about any mathematics, science, biology, social studies, okay, what you are expecting from the student, which information, if you're thinking about the experiment, if you're thinking about the primary sources, secondary sources, if you're thinking about the equation, if you're thinking about anything which is related, that you have to provide the model to the students and let them to think, and they can organize them. So the mind map is simple, that's taking notes, okay, in an organized way, in a logical way, and it's a connection of the large and small ideas, and think in a creative way. So I hope that this information will help you a lot. Please tell me about the lesson. How did you like it? Or yes, of course, please, if you like, just like this one. I hope there's other themes you can connect it about, about the birthday, about your whatever you think. This is the central theme of your course. You just go through it for that. Thank you, guys. We'll be meeting in the next lesson with a new topic and a new theme. Till that, bye, stay blessed, and